Okay, let's actually put our item on the screen now because that's what we want to do. That's the whole reason we created the element. So in order to do that, we've created the element and we've set its text content. Now all we need to do is add it to the screen. The way you add it to the screen is you have to find the spot you want to add it to. So I'm going to say document dot query selector, and I am going to look for this output UL. So I'm going to look for something that has the ID of output, and then I'm going to say append child. What this does is it takes in an element and it appends it to the screen. So we're going to take in this element and we're going to append it to the screen. So I'm going to access that element and now I'm going to save this. So let's come over to our running thing and we're going to say go shopping. And now go shopping has been added to the screen. Let's try and do our button trick again. Button on click, alert one, close the button, hi. And if we add it, you'll notice it turned it into text content and put it on the screen. So the cross-site scripting attack no longer worked because we're not directly setting inner HTML, which means they can't give us HTML. We're setting the text content, but we are still creating an element. And in this way, we were safely able to sanitize and put it on the screen. And hooray, our to-do list has been saved.